How to check if your IRCTC official account is Aadhaar verified or not. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you the steps which will tell you if your IRCTC account is Aadhaar verified or not. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser and simply search for IRCTC. And once you will do this, you need to click onto this website that will start with irctc.co.in. So irctc.co.in is the official IRCTC website, and once you will enter the website, you will need to log in with your IRCTC account credentials. That means the user and password. So after hitting with the user and password, you will enter the IRCTC website and you will be landed onto an interface like this. Now, in order to access the status of the Aadhaar verification, first hover your cursor over to this my account section and then click onto this my profile, and under the my profile you will have this option of update profile. So simply click onto this update profile and it will show you your current IRCTC profile. So as here you can see, I am currently in this update profile option, and if I will scroll down, and at the very last you will see this particular field that says Aadhaar KYC, and currently it says not verified. So this means our Aadhaar KYC has not been done for our IRCTC account. So in this case, if you have already done the Aadhaar KYC, it will be shown with a green text which will say verified. So that's how easily you can determine if your account is Aadhaar KYC enabled or not. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.